Before you begin applying your manicure, open your package of Mani-Wraps and remove the contents. In addition to the sheet of 20 variably sized nail wraps, each package of Mani-Wraps contains all the tools required to apply your manicure. The application kit includes a manicure stick, a nail file, 2 alcohol swabs, and instructions. Other tools that are optional but helpful in the application process include a blow dryer, tweezers, and nail scissors. Preparing your nail surface properly is the most critical step in the application process. The natural shine on the nail surface will prevent the wrap from adhering completely, so it is critical that the surface is buffed and cleaned thoroughly. Your nails should have a dull, cloudy appearance when they have been prepared properly. Using the manicure stick, begin by pressing down your cuticles and scraping any overgrown skin on the nail surface. Next, using the nail file, thoroughly buff the entire surface of the nail. This step is extremely critical as it removes excess oils and creates a surface that will allow for maximum adhesion and allow for a long-lasting bond. Finally, using the supplied alcohol swab, thoroughly clean the surface of your nail. Let your nails dry for about 30 seconds before continuing to the next steps. Mani-Wraps features a translucent backing to assist in locating the correct wrap size. To size your wrap, hold the sheet against the nail until you locate the correct size. If you are unsure, using one size smaller is recommended to avoid oversizing. Although this step is not required, once you have located the correct wrap size, you may also use a blow dryer to apply heat directly to the wrap while still attached to the sheet. Apply heat for approximately 5 seconds or until the wrap is warm and soft. Using heat increases the pliability of the wrap and also improves adhesion to your nail surface. Using the angled end of the manicure stick, peel up the wrap at the non-cuticle edge. Using tweezers or your manicure stick, peel the wrap off the sheet. Ensure you do not touch the adhesive side with your finger as it may affect the adhesion to your nail surface. Lightly place the wrap against your nail, ensuring you do not place over the cuticle or any surrounding skin. Once positioned properly, apply pressure evenly to the surface of the wrap, ensuring all areas are completely adhered to your nail. When you reach the fingernail tip, gently stretch the excess area of the wrap as you pull the end over your fingernail. This stretching minimizes any lifting at the fingernail tip. Once the wrap is applied, use the angled end of the manicure stick to push the edges of the wrap to the nail, ensuring all edges are completely adhered. It is critical when filing your wraps that you keep the nail file at a 90-degree angle to the tip of your nail and use downward strokes only. Filing at an angle to the tip of your nail or using upward strokes can lift the wrap or damage the surface of the wrap. Cut the excess of the wrap by filing downward along the entire tip of your nail at a 90-degree angle. Once the excess is removed, use your finger to make sure the wrap is adhered completely to the fingernail tip. Finally, go over the entire wrap a final time with the cuticle pusher, ensuring the wrap is completely adhered. Although this step is not required, you may use a pair of nail scissors to trim the excess off the wrap. Once trimmed, use the nail file to finish the wrap by filing at a 90-degree angle to the tip of the nail using downward strokes. To remove Mani-Wraps, simply peel up the edge of the wrap and very slowly pull the wrap away from the nail surface. Excessive force is not required in this step. Thank you for watching our application video. If you need additional assistance with the application process, visit our website at www.maniwraps.com.